it's all good, babe. Roll that backwood, babe. And then me.
Yes, people, big up in yourself, you know. You don't know? Big up and blessings, you see me? Don't know it's a Newlink there, man. Yeah, my people. So right now, I have a whole heap of things to talk about right now. You get me? I have a whole heap of things because right now I just want to clear my head with some things right now, you know, people. Big man thing. I just want to clear off my mind, my head. I'm in a response to nothing. You get me? I say, I'm in a response about nothing right now because right now some people get Newlink on a different level right now. Because some things are going on, I mean, I observe it, you know, and we just stay so boom. And watch it, you understand? I know me just go talk about it. Alright, first of all, so Rawpa Crawp there. Cause I not want to discuss about a vlogger. You get me? I say, me never want to talk. People not get Newlink hype, you know. You get me? I say, nobody give Newlink no hype, but Newlink give himself hype. Nobody not make Newlink trend, but Newlink make himself trend. You get me? I say, because when me I start this, no blogger not like say, yo, give me that push there and say, yo, I'm shove Newlink out there, so no blogger gonna do that. You get me? I say, a Newlink comes a boom and put in the work and do him thing and reach him and reach down and go him and go without nobody help. I mean, I ask nobody for no strength. You get me? I say, and me and my fans, them I do it, the people who stay with Newlink right through and I left me out. You get me? I say, alright. I'm just talk a little thing now about Rawpa Crawp. Mr. Rawpa Crawp and Tina Chin have a little difference, right? You know, you get me? A little difference, which I mean, see all Tina tell him about suck out him mother and all heap of things. Well, hear me I say, Rawpa Crawp a big man thing. You're a big man. I say me I respect you. You don't know your thing heavy on Tina Chin thing. So when Tina Chin I go say, yo, she don't know Rawpa Crawp and all of that. A lie she a tell, man. Rawpa Crawp a thing heavy, you know, people. And not joke thing. You think heavy. You get me I say? And it's a yoke I look up to. Big man thing. It's a yoke I look up to and I respect. Big, me now go around the thing and talk. Rawpa Crawp, you see them Soul Flow TV there. Me respect them too, brother there. Big man thing. Them a airline of the thing. So me respect them. You get me I say? Now because you hear this Newlink, they do a blog say Soul Flow, but you don't know we make our settle that already, everything good. But me don't gotta tell you. Rawpa Crawp, you let me down. Big man thing. You see certain things, we don't answer them. You see me? There's a foundation, you don't answer certain things. You shouldn't even reply to she and give her no strength. Big man thing, because there's no way we as Jamaican, if we look out for each other, we don't try to come disrespect each other and bring down each other on social media and them things. They just to get maybe a hype or a frontline page. You see me? Because Tina Chin wrong. You can't look at a man and judge him and say, oh, the man a batty man or a man a gay or them thing. They went wrong there, so. You see me? There's no way you have to do that. Because me can't judge a man maybe because I'm bleach. Me pierce my ears them, you see me? Me pierce my ears them. Me taking my pants them more while I wear them. You get me? I say, and I say I go judge and say, yo, me judge and say me about him, and you cannot do that. You see me? You can't do that. You're wrong for you judge people like that, so you cannot annex you go tell Rawpa say suck out him mother and this and that. And so what Rawpa do? In that Rawpa now go tell you suck out him mother. The lady say you did, Rawpa woman and say you this. She too, and so you figure suck back your family. You see me? But Rawpa, you should answer and they say you let me down. Me never want you answer, don't give them no strength, Rawpa. You're bigger than that. You see me? You look over 100K, you know, make them know that in a Rawpa. You're bigger than certain things. You see me? Alright. Let me talk the next thing, you know, people. Because tell us a Newlink does adjust whole heap of things, you know. Now them clip, you know. Whole heap we adjust. Alright. You see? Let me tell you something. You see, alright, me say Rain Sunday, the artist there. You see? Him drop the song and me say whole heap of vlogger run with this song and I say, yo, him this vlogger and everything and that and that and that and that. In a song, big man thing. I talk my mind in a response, nobody in a people, big man thing, because I'm observant, you know. And I song, see? Red Sun big up J Radio, see? And in call the rest of vlogger them faggers. So the vloggers are faggers or something, you see me? Alright, look funny. Me post Red Sun song too. Big man thing. Me post him song before and you see me? Red Sun never give back Newlink and strength that for no nice song there and no nice something them. Big man thing. I choke me I go talking up people, me no respond. Red Sun never give me back no strength yet. Red Sun never give me back no strength yet, man. You see me? He never give me back no strength. See me? He never highlight my name in our song and say, yo, respect the Newlink. Like I say, big up J Radio. You see me? Because me I look You help me. When said me put up his song, he link me. He never pay me. When me tell him my price, he not pay me. See? And me do it for him free. And me say, alright, boom. He say, yo, in due time. You see me? So you could make my due time be and put my name in a song and I got this blogger and say blogger fagger. Me not rate them move there in the bridge and I straight up a new link this, you know. You see me? In a gus, sir. See me? In a work, sir. In a work, sir, bridging. Eh? Is that, yo? This you know what work we put in at this to create all our thing and when some man come link up or do this for you for free and link up on their level and one I do for new link. Eh? One I do for new link. See me? Me not wrong Soulflow and him say nah put no artist nothing in and I really do certain things, you know. You see me? People. You see, YouTube full of hypocrisy and all for bad mind people on YouTube and them thing there. Me not talk about fans who have views, and me talk about bloggers and vloggers. You see me? Never them bad mind against each other, man. You see me? I'm a burn for you. Me not like them thing that straight attack for them, man. You see me? I say people, straight attack. Because imagine people, look on it. See? All our we as bloggers and we on YouTube we are doing thing. Everybody knows say yo, YouTube is a thing we can make a local thing off and you see me? The people are fight for spot on YouTube. They report other people's channel and they can't make it better. All you have to do is work, put in a work because people, if you check pan trending sometime, at 10 of we local channel them, full YouTube channel then they pan trending. I beat up all them big channel they over USA, them big artists they and them thing there. I local channel them that beat them up. You see me I say? When I go fight and cuss other vloggers and vex other vlogger. Yo, I can't tell a vlogger when to say man. If a vlogger wants to say gully, wants to say Gaza man, make him man say when I say man. See? If maybe I did, alright, look on Newlink say news, you know. News me say. Because me don't want to know to dip on a certain level. Me want to be different. You see me? That's why I want to see me just like you see me in my car or drive now and I do my vlog them. Me want my thing different. Me don't want everybody. Because people, look at. If you see the same thing on CVM News and the same on TVJ News, it makes sense to watch TVJ. If you see the same thing on CNN and the same thing on BBC, it makes sense to watch. Now when I say don't stick to one, because the same thing I'm going to say. You want to see something different, you want to see a different style of everything. You see me? That's why Newlink trying to be different and I try to create my thing them different. Big man thing, and some work, me create my thing different. You see me? Mr. the vlogger now comes up, boom, and help no youth in Jamaica and do nothing for your kids and Newlink say boom. You wanna we do kids straight for you, them as the people. If you can support the kids straight, please support the kids straight. And so we stay. Because what? We not do this to just benefit me alone. Me I do this to benefit other people, help people. But some man will come on YouTube for greediness and for benefit themselves and help themselves. Well, Newlink now works. See? People, you know bloggers out there man help. Big man, you know what them Newlink help? Much of them ever help Newlink? Question. How many of you ever help Newlink? No, them will help people. Eh? Yo, I shouldn't even know. Yo, one man think about something. I think so just to sometimes people see man, look happy, man. Man, happy sometimes because they look, I see hypocrisy we are going with them people up on YouTube, man. I shouldn't even know, you know. You see me? Which blogger ever get Newlink as strengthened? Big man thing. Man, eh? Never get Newlink and say, I see some dirty blogger take my video them and come. Yo, I'm telling you something. Yo, me not a joke thing, you know. No joke thing. You see me? I say man take my video, you know. Create vlog with man video, you know. You see me? I say come create vlog with man video. Yo, listen me I tell you, I don't come from my channel and take my video and create no vlog with it. I'm serious. Don't splice in my video in a no vlog gonna do. You see me? No, don't take my video and splice in a no vlog gonna do. Because in any idea, you don't take my video, right? On a splice in me I show on a dirty and tan, you know. You see you me tell you something, you see you 876 relevant where you want name. I tell you straight up now, right? I ain't a joke thing. Don't take no more video off of my channel and make no video. I say, any of you take now my video them off of my channel and make no video, I strictly gonna make them lick your channel. I mean, ain't a joke thing with you now. You know why? You know why? People, I tell you why. The boy take my video, right? He make it and splice with other video, whatever he do. And he never put Newlink, not even a piece of title, and say nothing about Newlink. So, oh, you gonna use my product, what you do for me? And I sell my product today, so. Yeah? No problem enough if you don't use my product, but at least give me back my strength and my product. See me? You know much copyright strike and lick me get when me used to use people products and something. Eh? You know say what and for how long I just what and Newlink can start go like how much lick people lick my channel when me use them product. Eh? Big man, me not joke thing with people right now on YouTube. Me I get serious with my thing I know. When I don't take my product, I'm telling people I come for adjust a whole lot of things and I'm in a response, you know. See? Me stay silent, you know. For what day, me just stay silent, you know. And me I see hypocrisy where I go on, you know. And me just stay silent. When I don't take my product them and run with my products them. Leave me things them alone. See me? And me a drive in my car, and me a do me vlog them, and me stay in my house, and me a do me vlog them. Leave me things them for my channel alone. See me? No blogger run with me things them. When I run with me thing them, post them on the YouTube channel, build nothing. When I even say Newlink, check up what I go on people. You see who all I blog them when them a do? Once they put Newlink name in the title yet, then I rate Newlink man. Cause we are kill them and we are beat them bad. When we say kill them, no people, I don't mean literally killing them. But we are beat them bad. And it hurt them to see how we are dealing with the thing. You get me? It hurt them to see it. But a corruption I go on man for YouTube. Too much corruption. Too much